having my first meal of the day. Hello, hi, it's your girl. Yeah, I always break my fast with some sort of juice or veg which is raw. Either I have like full-blown green juice or just a mono fruit. It could be slices of watermelon or watermelon juice. It's summer and it's so refreshing, and once you've fasted, it's quite hydrating. Just a quick update, a check on my weight or my body, my fitting. It's really more important than weight loss. It's how you fit in your clothes when you're fasting, and I'm almost on the 7.5 week mark. I'll only weigh myself when I've done 2 months. But like I always say, this is long term. I'm enjoying it. I don't feel like I'm struggling. I've gotten the hang of things, and I'm really grateful for you guys who are here to be an accountability partner. See you guys later.
Every now and then, I want to eat something like cake or bread or a snack, or if I just felt peckish. So I bake my own healthy recipes and I give them a twist. So this is just my oats banana bread, which I'm sharing today.
So I'm about to batch juice. These are my summer absolute favorites. I've got watermelon here. It's half a watermelon because I juiced the other half for breakfast a few days ago. These are mint leaves, and I've got 3 very big beetroots. The thing about this juice, what makes it really peculiar, is it will help to not only detox, it helps your skin. Watermelon is full of water, as the name implies, and it helps to rejuvenate your skin, especially in the summer when you feel dehydrated. So yes, and I've also got ginger as well, which is a staple in most of my juices. I really feel like I repeat myself a lot on this because I tend to juice the same recipes most times because they work for me, and I think it's an absolute no-brainer. So I'm going to do this really quickly. And also, if you're into working out, this beetroot is really good for like a pre-workout juice because they're packed with nitrates and they increase your blood flow and oxygen to your muscles, which gives you an extra boost during your workouts. So this is it. It looks so good. And I've got this vitamin C boost. Normally I have this when it's cold, but again, I've got carrots. If you've been watching my juicing recipes, you know that carrots for me is a must because of my skin. Beta carotene helps to improve the look of your skin, and it's also really high in vitamin C. So it's like a tropical cleanse. So yeah, if you have kiwi, you can add kiwi and some mango. But I decided to just stick to this because it lasts longer in the fridge. So normally I always go for green juices, but I just thought at the time of the year, it's vibrant and you can make this juice and add like ice and just have like a refreshing juice in the afternoon. But I usually have it in an empty stomach before I start eating after a fast. So I'll let you guys quickly juice this with me, and I'll see you in a bit.
Yes, I've just completed my juice, and this juices right here should last me for my 3 days detox, and that's all I'll have to detoxify my body. As I said, I do this every month, sometimes with just green juices, but with the summer months, I think it's only fair to get juices that will help to make you glow, give you the needed hydration due to the weather.
Ignore my ashy look. I only woke up from sleep. It's the, I think the 10th of or 9th of July today, and it's been almost 2 months since I've been embarking on this alternate day fasting. Actually, it'll be 2 months on Monday, but my Monday is chaotic, so I decided to do my weigh-in today. And your girl has lost 7 kilos in 2 months. I've been tempted to climb on the scales, but I decided not to till now, just so that I don't get either discouraged or overly ambitious. I started this at 85, which is one of the heaviest I've been in a very long time, and today I'm 78.5. So I've lost almost 8 kilos altogether, 16 pounds plus, almost 17 pounds. Alternate day fasting. On the days that I eat, I can eat anything. I'm going to put some before and after pictures because I took them just to compare, because it's more sometimes about your dress size, your fitting, as opposed to the actual scales. But either ways, it looks like I have lost overall inches, and as I said, this is going to carry on till I get to my ideal weight and size. I have to say that I've still got a lot of weight to lose. It's steady, there's no rush, slow and steady. I'll carry on alternate day fasting as long as possible. The times that I have a break, when I go away, for example, and I'm going away next week, I'm sure before you see this picture I would have already gone. I'm going on holidays to the US alone, a solo girls trip. So I know that I might not do it every day for like while I'm there, but I'll try to make healthy choices, and once I get back I'll carry on. My target is I need to lose another 8 kilos plus, and I have to confess that I had an injury, so I have not been going to the gym for about a week, so that has reduced my results. But once I come back, I'll hit the gym back again. And yes, so thanks, and I'll do a sit down video. I've had a request to talk about OMAD or fasting. Anyway, I'll talk to you soon.